Are you ready for this insider view into our U.S. Embassy Independence Day celebration?
We're all being transported to space. I hope you're ready.
This year, the United States of America celebrated 230 years of diplomatic presence in India. The U.S. Embassy commemorated this milestone with a celebration of the U.S. India Space Collaboration. Of course, you cannot celebrate without partaking in a feast. And there's no better way to feast than indulging in quality foods with impeccable taste.
I would say very nice.
So here we have Ambassador Garcetti.
So excited. How's everybody doing? Having fun? Right.
This is amazing. If this was in space, I think we would have more astronauts.
Pistachio.
Pistachio.
What state are pistachios from?
California.
Well done.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Eat away, everybody. Don't be shy.
The vastness of the U.S. India space food awaits us. Let's go.